Hello, thank you for watching this guidance interview walkthrough. Today I'll be demonstrating how you can update your student instructions for attending appointments. To start, sign into your guidance interview account. Then click the My Account link on the navigation bar. Near the top, you'll find the appointment instructions text field. I'm just going to make this bigger so we can see it a little easier. You may already have some appointment instructions that you previously made for students that you want to change. So to start, you can just delete that and you can enter your new instruction. Okay, here are two examples of instructions for students you might like to use if you're holding virtual meetings only. This first example is for counselors who have a dedicated meeting room. So that means that you have a Zoom link or a Microsoft Teams link or whatever it is where you'll be holding all of your appointments. So all students will be going to the same link. So you could say something for all virtual meetings, please connect to this meeting link at your scheduled appointment time and include your link. If you do not have a dedicated meeting room, you could say something like, if you are scheduled for a virtual appointment, please expect an email a few minutes prior to your appointment with the meeting link. So maybe you just want to make a Google Meet for each individual meeting, and you'll just be sending those to the students just before their appointment times. Whichever you choose, or if you do something else, when you're finished making your note, just scroll down and make sure that you click the Save Information button, because otherwise your instructions will just revert back to whatever you had before. So if you do this, whenever a student makes an appointment with you, they will get this instruction when they're making their appointment online, and as well it will be included in all of the email notifications they receive from our system. So thank you for watching this guidance interview walkthrough. If you have any questions or need any help, please contact your guidance interview support team member for help.